how to create a split screen video effect like this here, and this is using the YouCut Video Editor app. So we're looking at having a base video with 3 different videos playing at the same time. Make sure you have the latest update for YouCut, and let's get started. To get started, you will need to start off with a base video, okay? And by that, what I mean is go here, go to New Project, and you want to go to where it says Material, right up here at the top, okay? And in this section here, I want you to go to where it says the beginning, or go to color. Go to color here, you'll find yourself some base videos, which basically is a single solid color here. I would recommend going with black, and it's gonna be in the horizontal video format, okay? Now, next to the bottom section here, where you have your timeline, you'll tap on it one time, and you can choose to adjust the duration as to how long you want the base video playing, which is going to match the exact time of the other 3 videos that you're about to put here, okay? You can choose to pull the tabs here, or go to where it says duration and tap edit and type in the numbers of how long you want these videos to be, okay? And it's up to you to make that decision, okay? So for me, I'm just gonna go with 7 seconds, all right? Press the check mark, and you'll just have to choose the size or duration you want it to be, okay? Now, with all that said and done, the next thing is now to start inserting your own videos that you want. And because this is a horizontal video, it's gonna work better if you have the videos that you're about to put over are in the vertical format, okay? So I'll be going now to where it says PIP right here, the picture in picture here. And when you go there, you're gonna just browse through the videos that you have on your phone, which is the ones that you want. But for me, I'm just gonna go to materials just to use some of their videos here and give you an idea of how this works, okay? So I'll just go here, and you'll be selecting your very first video. So I'll go now and pick the first one that I want to. I'll look for it, and maybe I want this one here, okay? So it's gonna appear like this here. At first, it's gonna appear like this. You'll wanna just kind of adjust it until the top and bottom is touching both the top and the base of the video frame, okay? You can put it anywhere you want, whether you want it to play on the left side. Then next up, you'll go ahead now and add your next video. So go to PIP again. You'll look for your video you wanna add. I'll be going to materials, and I'll insert my next video, okay? So I'll go ahead and add this one here. Do the same thing once again. You're going to pull, all right, just make sure it goes past a little bit like that. Expand it so you can get it to take up the video frame, okay? And then finally, you can go back here to add your next one, and then add your last video, okay? You can do 4, but depending on your device, if it can handle 4 of them, okay? So I'm gonna go with this one here as my 4th one. And I'm gonna expand that like that, okay? And in this part here now, to the bottom section, you just wanna pay attention and making sure that these now are all matching the same duration, okay? And you can just kind of trim away whatever you don't need. So like this one here is kind of long, so I'll just split that to match the shortest one. Then I'll delete that. You can trim this one here like that, and then you can match it all. So now by the time you're done, you will have all your videos playing like this, okay? So they're all gonna be playing together at the same time, okay? And then you can just go back and tap on each video that you have inserted and like make the adjustments, such as the volume, the filter, all that stuff, and then you can save it as to when you're finished done with that, okay? So like and sub.